Athena is the fastest USD asset to reach $3 billion in crypto history. It has already given us one lucrative airdrop with its coin ethena trading at a $15 billion market cap, and its second airdrop is coming soon. While some describe it as a stable coin because it is going after the stable coin market, Athena's USDE is best described as a synthetic dollar because it is not backed by dollars. Quick point on the size of the opportunity from the Athena website. They say that stablecoins and other relatively stable, fully backed assets intended to approximate the dollar is one of 1 trillion plus opportunities in this space, with an immediate $5 billion of an addressable market by embedding USDE into exchanges and capturing market share within DeFi as a reserve asset. So this is obviously a very big deal, but what is USD actually backed by? USD is backed by a delta neutral ETH position. In other words, each USDE is collateralized by a long staked ETH position, which is simultaneously offset by an equivalent ETH perpetual futures contract short position. So if the price of ETH moves from 3,000 to 2,500, the short ETH per position will subsequently offset the $500 price swing. Similarly, if the price of ETH increases to 3,500, the short ETH per position will subsequently decrease $500. And because funding and basis spread has historically generated a positive yield, given the mismatch in demand and supply for leverage in crypto, this is where the interest comes from when you stake your USDE. So in terms of when the next airdrop is for Athena, the second airdrop is planned for September the 2nd, 2024, or when USDE supply reaches $5 billion, whichever comes first. We don't know 100% when that's going to be, but if you look at the trajectory, what we've just been speaking about is hit 3 billion already. Based on how things are going, it looks like it should be sooner than September. In terms of its backing, it was backed by really top funds, also backed by very notable angels like Arthur Hayes, Kobe, and Ansem. It's got a bunch of risks attached to it. You've got funding risk, liquidation risk, custodial risk, exchange failure risk, and collateral risk. This is what I did a couple of days ago to get both Athena exposure, because I like this USDE concept, and Blast exposure at the same time. First, you buy some USDE on Athena. Next, you bridge that USDE using stargate.finance. Next, you go to Thrustify, which is the DEX which has the most gold allocated to it to give out to Blast users. And there you can provide liquidity for USDE against USDB. Providing liquidity will get you the following two things. First, it gets you the maximum 30x sats boost, and sats are Athena's points system. So you get boosted for what you do with your USDE. And if you do this particular thing where you provide liquidity on Thruster, you get the maximum 30x boost, which is obviously good for the Athena points. And you also get Blast Gold and Thruster credits, which seems better to me than just holding USDE. And finally, in addition to all of that, you can go onto Hyperlock for an extra 5x and a share of 8,000 gold to be distributed to stakers over the next few days as part of this like additional gold rush that they have going on at the moment.